So let me show you how we can use the quadratic formula to answer number 2 and number 3 equations. So since both of the equations were already in its standard form, so ang gagawin na lang po natin is we're going to identify yung values ni A, ni B, and ni C. Okay, so A is equal to 3, B is 2, and C is equal to negative 21. So, for the solution, so gagamit po tayo ng quadratic formula. So, ano ba yung formula natin? That is, x is equal to negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, ang susunod natin gagawin is we substitute the values ni A, B, C dito sa equation na to. So, what's B? We have 2. And then, square root, ano yung B ulit? C, 2 squared minus 4. What's A? 3. And what's C? Negative 21. Okay, so all over 2 times A. Ano si A? We have 3. So after we substitute, next is we would simplify. So ano po ang 2 squared? So 2 squared is 2 times 2 or 4. Okay, so let's multiply. Negative 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 times negative 21, it becomes positive. Okay? Positive 252. Okay, all over 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so negative 2 plus and minus the square root of, let's add, 4 plus 252 is 256 all over 6. Now, let us evaluate the square root. So, ano po ba ang square root ni 256? So, it's a perfect square number and the answer is 16. So, magiging 2 or negative 2 plus and minus 16, okay, over 6. So, from here, we can split, okay, yung ating equation. Kasi, we can go ahead and solve the actual values of x. Okay, so we can go ahead and solve. So, we'll have x is equal to negative 2 plus 16 over 6. Tapos, yung isa naman is x is equal to negative 2 minus 16 over 6. So, we'll have x is equal to negative 2 plus 16 is 14 over 6. So, simplify natin siya. Divide both by 2. So, we'll have 7 over 3. Tapos, yun sa kabila naman, x is equal to negative 2 minus 16 is negative 18 over 6. So, we'll have x is equal to negative 3. So, the roots of this equation is 7 over 3 and negative 3. Okay, so now, let's go to our next example. So, dun naman tayo sa x squared minus 6x plus 21 is equal to 0. So, again, let's identify the values of A, B, and ang value ni C. So, is equal to 21. So, from here, again, all we need to do is to substitute this to our quadratic formula. So, yung quadratic formula natin, ito, x squared minus is equal to negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, x is equal to, ano ang negative? Ano yung b? Dito is negative 6 plus and minus the square root of, ano ang b ulit? So, negative 6 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 21 all over, okay, 2 times a, so here a is equal to 1. So x is equal to negative times negative is positive. So this becomes positive 6 or 6 lang. And then negative 6 squared becomes positive. Okay, 36. Okay, minus. So we'll have 4 times 1 is 4. And then 4 times 21 is 84. Okay, all over 2a. So 2 times 1 is 2. And then next we have 6 plus and minus the square root of. So what is 36 minus 84? Okay, so yes, that's negative 48. Negative 48 over 2. Okay, so since, okay, ang ating radicand or yung nasa loob ng ating radical sign is negative value, so that means that there is no solution or no real, okay, no real roots tayo. Okay, so this is an imaginary. So we're going to stop here, and the answer, ang sasagot lang natin is there's no real roots for this quadratic equation.